What's up guys? So today I'm gonna show you how you can easily create some Tkinter, Python Tkinter interfaces like this, a contact list interface, a YouTube downloader, dollar to euro converter, all these interfaces that are very customizable. This site is called customtkbuilder.com, right? So in here you can place buttons, entries, labels, checkboxes, and radio buttons, right? So you can pretty much use all the Tkinter widgets in here, and you can just place them around. It's a drag and drop editor, right? So you can just place them around and then translate it to code. So I'm gonna very fast create some interfaces for some random app here. Well, it's done. So I've created this very simple Twitter video downloader, right? You can put the video link and this checkbox if you want to download in HD or not, and the button to download, right? So I'm just gonna click here and translate to code, and it's gonna give me the full complete code in Python. So you need to install custom Tkinter to use this, right? It's a library and it makes the widgets, Tkinter widgets, look nicer. So I'm just gonna click here and copy and gonna paste it in VS Code and run, and here it is. The interface in Python, it's translated. So the site does that. It's gonna translate from the interface you just created with this Figma-like website in Python code, right? Very simple, very fast, very efficient. So if you have any doubts, you can just let it here in the comments. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.